How to make quick cash with resale rights. In this video, we'll discuss some easy ways to make quick cash with resale rights. Resale right products allow you to resell them and pocket 100% of the commissions. These are a big craze on the internet, and you probably have some hiding somewhere on your hard drive. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we jump into the content, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. And be sure to hit the like button if you're getting value from these free tips. The first thing to consider is what type of resale license you have. Usually this license will come with the product itself or in a README file. Resale right products are a great way to make money, but you have to worry about your competition. One way to do this is to buy rights to a less competitive product. Someone might offer resale licenses to his product for only 100 people. By buying a license to a product like this, you know that you'll have far less competition. The disadvantage of this is that you'll often end up spending several $100s. For those that don't have the money to invest in limited resale right licenses, there's still hope. You just have to make your offer stand out from the crowd. The easiest way is to pile on the bonuses. Add some products that can be offered as bonuses or bundled with other products. Adding bonus products is the easiest and most lucrative way to get someone to buy the same product that is being marketed strongly by other resellers. Besides bonuses, you can also make your sales page seem different. One thing you can do is to change your headline. Another thing you can do is change the graphics. People notice right away if they've seen the offer before by the graphics in the headline. If you're a good copywriter, you can even just change the entire sales letter. Make the site look completely new. In the resale right license, they'll usually tell you if a product is a standalone product. This means that it can't be sold as a package or a collection of products. The best way to sell a product is by offering a limited time offer to your list. Find a great product and then find products that can be used as bonuses. Offer these extra products for a limited time. Be sure that you take your page down when you say you would, or you'll lose credibility. One-time offers is a great way to make some extra cash. Find as many products as you can that can be bundled together in a package. Offer them all for an incredible price to the people who just joined your mailing list. Make this a one-time offer in that they'll only see the offer once. You'll be surprised how many people will take you up on these one-time offers, and it's a great way to build some cash. Online courses are also a great way to sell resale rights. The better products will come with the e-course already. If you don't have one, don't worry. It's as easy as slapping some related articles into an autoresponder. What you can do is promote the e-course first, and once a person subscribes, forward them to the sales page for the resale product. The average person sees the product on average 7 times before they buy. Creating an e-course is an excellent way for people to buy, as you can keep reminding them about your product. Stay away from products that say they can be sold or offered for free. You're going to have an upset customer if someone pays money for a product and then finds out there are others that are giving it away for free. Use these products as subscriber bait. They sound impressive because they can be sold, so use them to get people to subscribe to your e-zine or your e-course for the product. Are you ready to generate traffic from private label rights products? Check out the link in the description to IDPLR, a database of over 12,000 PLR products which you can resell and keep 100% of the profits. It includes ebooks, videos, graphics, templates, articles, and audio files. IDPLR has been helping thousands of people grow their online business, and they can help you too. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.